Changing your YouTube password is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner and enter your current Google account credentials. Step 2. Access Google account settings. Once signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Google account settings, look for the Security tab on the left sidebar. Click on it to view security-related options, including password management. Step 4. Change your password. Under the Signing into Google section, click on Password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, click on Change Password to save your changes. You will receive a confirmation message and your YouTube password will now be updated. Remember to log out to log back in with your new password to ensure it works. Keeping your password secure is essential for protecting your account.